Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Janine of TBOQ Crochet, and in today's video we will dive into the current WIPs I have. So currently my WIPs from here on out, if I come with a video, it will be personal projects. So let's dive on in. The first WIP I'm working on is this yarn. Now I'll link the video down in the description on this yarn. This yarn comes from Temu. This is the wool yarn, 95% wool, 5% polyester, merino wool yarn. So the current project, I took some of the yarn and I caked it up. But the current project that I'm working on with this yarn is a sweater. A sweater for myself. I started this sweater. I started it. So this is the sweater that I'm working on. I'm working two stitches in this sweater. It may eat up the yarn, but that's what I'm trying to do. I want to use all the yarn that I have. If I end up with a ball, if I end up with 1 or 2 balls left over, I'm fine. But I really I purchased the yarn to specifically for this project to use it all, and I purchased 2 bags of this yarn. It's a total of 1,000 grams. I've already caked up some, and that's what I'm actually working on as far as that goes. The next WIP is something for my little grandbaby. It's a sweater. It's a cardigan, should I say. And I started it. I'm currently working on it. So I have a ways to go. Not that much, but this yarn comes from Hobby Lobby. And it is in the color a jean stripe. A jean stripe. It is, I love this yarn. And I love it because it's different like shades of turquoise and black, gray. And you see how it's working up. It work up like that, and then on the other side, you see, it's nice. And this is a hexagon. It's a hexagon cardigan for him. And I'm also going to create him a matching beanie, a hat to go with this cardigan. So that is my second WIP. And the third WIP I started is a bucket hat. And I have some more rounds to go with this. But it's a bucket hat. It probably will fit a smaller head. It actually fits my my display head that I use for my hats. So yeah. So that's the third one. So that's what I have currently right now that I'm working on. Now I have some good news. That news is, remember I told you guys a while back that the market that I was looking forward to, in late December had they no longer was having that market because they had to actually move their location. They move into a new location where it's not that market, but I found another market to actually attend in December, and that's the good news that I have. So that yarn from Dollar Tree that I had, I think I was gonna do scrunchies with. I still have that yarn, so I'm gonna be working on scrunchies and a lot of other things that I want to actually bring to the market with me. So I have at least, I have a little over a month, like a month and 2 weeks. But I'm gonna give myself a month to work on what I need to do to prep for the market. And then those last 2 weeks I'll be just putting everything in place, making sure that I have what I need as far as equipment and whatnot to set up for the market. So I'm excited for that. I will take footage of me at the market, and so yeah, that is the news that I have. So I'll be working on some other things to bring to the market. So I'm excited for that. It's new. It's a new market, and they actually just started with this market last year. So they are fairly new. It's a fairly new market. So this is their second year doing it, and I'm excited to be a part of it. So yeah, that's what I have as far as TBOQ news and the whips that I currently have. So that's it, guys. Um, I'm still trying to get my subscriber count up. So I'm trying to become more consistent and know when I'll post a video. I don't have it down packed yet. I'm still working on that. So when I do decide like what days work better for me to post a video, I will come back and let you guys know, hey, look, I decided to post on this day and this day. It'll most likely be one day during the week, and then on one day on the weekend, um just to do at least 2 posts during the week. So that'll give me like 2, 4, 6, maybe like 8 videos a month or something like that, if I do it like that. But it just depends on what I'm doing, what I'm focusing on, what I have going on. But basically I think that is it. Just trying to be more consistent to get my count up, and I will try to do lives here and there also to help with my count. And yeah, so that's basically it. I think I have covered everything that I have. I'm getting that light that I was looking for earlier. So we do have cooler temperatures, and the sun wasn't out at first, but now it's out. So yeah, that is it. So if you like what you're seeing in this video, if you have any suggestions for any videos or anything else that you want me to do, want me to work on, I will continue to come back with the bag of the month. I am working on November's bag. That's along with working on what I need to for the market, what I need to prepare for the market. So I'm keeping busy. I have a lot that I need to do. And so yeah, if you like what you're seeing in this video, if you want to see more, just drop a comment of what you would like me to do. Any videos you would like me to do, any projects you would like me to do. Comment, subscribe to the channel if you have not already subscribed, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified of any and every video I upload. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next one.